How to use synthetic division to find the roots of polynomials. Then, using those roots, write the polynomial in factored form. The first thing we need to know is what is synthetic division. Synthetic division is just another way of dividing polynomials using long division. The next thing we need to know is previous knowledge. Knowledge of the rational roots theorem, which will help us find our roots s over t, where s and t are coefficients in the polynomial. The next thing we need to know is the factor theorem, which will help us take those roots and write them as factors of the polynomial. To begin, the polynomial that we will be dividing today is x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4, where our possible roots are plus or minus 4, plus or minus 2, and plus or minus 1. The next thing we need to do is write our polynomial in the proper form to synthetically divide, disregarding the variables and only keeping the coefficients, and isolating the possible roots s over t and a half square. I will start with the first root, negative 1. Negative 1 is not a polynomial, not a root of this polynomial, because it does not have a remainder of 0. The next root is 1. 1 is a root of this polynomial because it does have a remainder of 0. The next root we'll try is negative 2. Negative 2 is also a root of this polynomial because it has a remainder of 0, as you can see in the square. The next root I'll try is 2. 2 is also a root of this polynomial, as we can see with the remainder of 0 in the square. Now we know our roots are negative 1, negative 2, and 2. How do we know these are the roots? Because they have a remainder of 0 when synthetically dividing. We can write our roots as factors, x minus 1 times x plus 2 times x minus 2. These factors, when multiplied together, should get us our original polynomial. How do I know that I am done? Well, I know I am done because I had a 1. When I divided my last root, 2, into my polynomial, I was left with a 1 and a remainder of 0. Since I am left with 1, I know that nothing else can divide into this polynomial aside from 1 itself. Now I'll check to see when I multiply x minus 1 times x plus 2 times x minus 2, I do get x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4, my original polynomial. Therefore, the factored form of my polynomial, x cubed minus x squared minus 4x plus 4, is x minus 1, x plus 2, x minus 2. Thank you for your time and your consideration.